Hello friends, welcome to another unboxing video. I'm checking out this biometric lock opening safe. This features 2.1 cubic feet. With this metal shell here, this side up, and has this biometric unit here on the front. Okay, so also comes with this box here. Oh, so I put the batteries in a little pack there, and then this just goes right back on there. Snaps into place just like that. Okay, open this up initially. There's that little hidden key port there. And we can either use the key here, or I think we can plug this in and just use a... look at that little passcode comes on there. And then any thing will open it up. So we got more stuff in here. Okay, once you have those batteries in there, just slide right in there. They can only go in one way. And then we're just going to slide this back into place here. Right. Like that. There we go. All right. Okay. There we go, 6 times and we're good to go. So, what my fingerprint does, so now that's set. So just hit that red button right here in the corner, and then you just press your fingerprint on there like 6 times. How to set the password here. Password management, quickly double click the set key and press 1 to set the first set of passwords. Okay, so all right, double click, press 1, and then we'll set what password we want, and hit enter, and there we go. Now we can press our password. Let's see here. There we have it. Door comes open. So super easy to work with. Seems actually pretty solid. So I like how quick it is. If I need to get in there, simply just hit that 1000. Oops. That's literally, I don't know, 2 seconds, 1 second, and then we're good to go. And as you can see here, it has a lot of room in here. So I put a lot of different things in here. So that's nice. And then if I want to use the keys, I can also use the keys right here on the front if your battery runs out. And that opens real quick too. Nice and smooth. Those turn in and out, so that's cool. All right, my friends, well, thanks so much for watching this video. Pretty sweet little safe here. Like lots of storage capacity there. You can put several handguns there in the bottom and have room for other stuff at the top as well. Or just fill the whole thing up with cash. Whatever you want to do. Anyways, thanks for watching, my friends. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.